Welcome to Auto Show. Today, we're taking a closer look at the 2025 TVS XL 100, a moped that has been a reliable companion for many riders, especially in the Indian market. The XL 100 has carved a niche for itself with its practicality, durability, and affordability. At the heart of the TVS XL 100 is a 99.7 cubic centimeters, air-cooled, single-cylinder, 4-stroke engine. This engine produces approximately 4.3 horsepower and 6.5 nanometers of torque, delivering sufficient power for daily commuting and light cargo transport. The engine is mated to a single-speed gearbox with a centrifugal wet clutch, simplifying the riding experience, especially for those new to two-wheelers. The XL 100's design emphasizes functionality. Its sturdy frame and robust build quality make it capable of handling heavy loads, with a load carrying capacity of up to 196 kilograms. This feature has made it particularly popular among small business owners and rural users who require a dependable vehicle for transporting goods. In terms of dimensions, the XL 100 measures 1,790 mm in length, 660 mm in width, and 1,031 mm in height, with a wheelbase of 1,222 mm. It offers a ground clearance of 100 mm, which is adequate for navigating urban roads and rural paths. The moped's curb weight stands at 65 kilograms, making it lightweight and easy to maneuver, even in congested traffic conditions. The fuel tank has a capacity of 4 liters, providing a reasonable range between refueling stops. Users have reported an average mileage of around 55 kilometers per liter, making the XL 100 an economical choice for daily commuting. The suspension setup includes telescopic forks at the front and dual shock absorbers at the rear, ensuring a comfortable ride over varying road surfaces. Braking duties are handled by drum brakes on both ends, with an 80 mm drum at the front and a 110 mm drum at the rear. While basic, this braking system provides adequate stopping power for the moped's intended use. The XL 100 rides on 16-inch wheels, shod with 2.5-inch wide tires, offering stability and grip on different terrains. The moped's simple yet functional design includes a comfortable seat, easy-to-read instrument cluster, and practical features like a front platform for additional cargo space. TVS offers the XL 100 in multiple variants, including the heavy-duty and comfort models, catering to different user preferences. The heavy-duty variant is tailored for load-carrying purposes, featuring a rugged build and practical design elements, while the comfort variant focuses on providing a more comfortable riding experience with features like a softer seat and better suspension tuning. The pricing of the XL 100 is one of its most attractive aspects. As of 2025, it is available in a price range of 45,999 Indian rupees to 61,605 Indian rupees, depending on the variant chosen. This affordability, combined with low maintenance costs, has contributed to its widespread popularity among budget-conscious consumers. In conclusion, the 2025 TVS XL 100 continues to be a practical and reliable moped that caters to the needs of a diverse user base. Its combination of simplicity, durability, and cost-effectiveness makes it a valuable option for those seeking dependable transportation for personal or small business use. Thank you for joining us on Auto Show. Stay tuned for more reviews and insights into the latest vehicles and automotive trends.